All right, everybody, we are on a trail in Toronto on a super windy day in December, but the temperatures are fantastic, so I'll decide to take a look-see ride in this area and check it out. I haven't been here this year in the fall, and this trail is always changing. I don't know if you can hear the wind or not, but it's there. Let me clip my this thing so you won't jump in the shot. My backpack clip. Alright. Like I said before, somehow I got a right setup that it doesn't catch the wind noise. Where are we? We're trapped here. Like other YouTubers catch the wind noise, but my camera doesn't catch any of that, so it's a good thing and a bad thing. I'm not gonna make it on that edge. Wow, before you know it, all the trees went down, lost all their leaves. I've actually never been on this section of trail. It must be new. Right close to the edge of the water. I see a couple of life jackets in the water. Oh man, this is really close to the edge. Right there. Cool shots. I don't know where they came from. All right, this is completely... We're in a maze of trails. Just going round and round. Hopefully we find a way out to the... I want to get to the end of this trail. There's a cool... You can see the water. It's a nice bay. I was checking it out. Oh, very good. Bushwhacking. Oh, actually, some caution tape. It's funny. A couple of nights ago, it was snowing really hard. I made a great film. It was a fun walk, and today it's super warm. Temperatures are funky. Wow, there's a basketball in the water. Interesting visual. Usually in the summer you can ride across there, but the water is pretty high up. Lots of junk. Always. It's a pretty nice place though. Tons of junk here. Look, drug boxes. What is this? Let's check this one out. Some sort of a drug box, vitamin box, everything. I guess when the river comes up, it drags all the junk with it down to the edges, right? Super muddy too. Super muddy and windy. Can we make this up? Oh, come on. Barely. can hear the cops. Nothing beats a city ride when you can hear. You're in a wilderness, you got the wind and you can hear the cop cars. Amazing. All these winds are high enough to knock on a tree. Oh, how to avoid that. There's some other people on the trail behind me. They're trying to jump over the flooded river. I think the kid just went in a little bit. Fantastic. Like in the summer, I don't bother coming here because it's completely covered in trees and it's very difficult to. Winter is a good hang out here. Prince from fall, because you get this kind of an interesting view of everything, you know. But in the summer, it's all covered up. Anyway, and on this side, you have this marshland. I'm gonna end the film here for a quick one, and then start the film maybe if I get somewhere cool. Thanks for joining me for this beautiful nature walk or ride in the city. We'll catch you in the next film. This thing better not fall on my head.